And you are my village elders. I greet you all. I greet you and I greet you. As you all know, I just got back from Morocco. After spending 7 years in Morocco, I crossed 7 rivers, 7 seas, and 7 lands. Just to come back and appreciate you all for what you have been doing in this village, in my community. So I appreciate you all. So what you are having in your hands is a sign of love, a sign of appreciation from me to you all. You might be seeing it as sweet, but let me tell you, in Morocco, it is what we call sucre bonbon. It is packaged in Azerbaijan, finely refined in Morocco, and then exported in other African countries. I want you to know that the content, that is the ingredients of what you have in your hand, is what we call sheto and cable. That is worth over 19 million US dollars. In the market cap, it is equivalent to 15 Bitcoin. If you sell it, you become a billionaire. King Charles the First, that is the first king of England and Britain, that is the wife of Mary Celeste. Under the subsection 2, the law they created first, this sweet was what they used to serve all the citizens on their birthday. So what you're having in your hand is a gem. Don't lick it too much. You can lick it once every morning. So it is a sign of my love and understanding and thanks, gratitude from me to you all. So enjoy your Christmas and Feliz Navidad, my elders.
Silas,
Mercy.
thank you very much for the gift.
Mercy, don't mention, please.
But I am so disappointed in you. Silas, so you look all the others in the Chinese one beach here. We will tell you sweet.
Mercy, sucre bonbon, not sweet.
We tell you sweet. It's not sucre. It's not sucre again. Silas. The first idiot that tried this in this village, Jonah did Talabata so many years back. We tell you sweet. I work it. Samuel, we tell you sweet. I work it. Chebi, he can come back, but that's try sweet. I work it. You are local cells. What I am going to use you as a scapegoat. But what's a good village? I'm a head of one.
Yes.
Oh, so sweet. Silas, magic you make scapegoat. I'm going to my shrine.
Mercy, does not get it.
Oh, come Mercy, if you come back tomorrow,
Mercy, what's wrong with Mercy? What is going on?
Now, okay. Name my NEC. Look at what diabetes have done to me. Never diabetes may go easy. And after spending all these years in Morocco, you have the God to still bring sweet to us.
Jesus.
To we elders to lick it.
No, Mercy. Sucre bonbon will not.
So you are planning my burial rice.
No, Mercy.
You are planning my burial.
No.
You want to finish the remaining one. He am sweet. So that the diabetes will finish me.
Oh my God.
Scapegoat is an understatement. Wait for our return.
Mercy.
We are coming.
Oh my God. Mercy.
Wait.
Mercy. I was thinking you guys you should be appreciative.
Silas, my brother. Nanya. Kiyina, was not here with the so going to
Sucre bonbon.
Yes.
Happen that happen.
Oh. Every such a time you want to saw King Elizabeth of 75.
I like them, yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Jump here, you don't put me.
I will get you another. I will get you more. Okay. I have more for you.
Silas again to my one. I'm ashamed of you. Silas, I could not tell you going up from what Takiyama Ponkuman and we heard German.
Jesus.
Silas and Bilogan and Ijin or Cadalo. Apples are with teas in a composure with him and them. I am a Salado Shishi, look at Ewaka, you for Brakalaka, look at and Naka Kigaba. Silas again coming up what I sweet Sarah and I will Tanda Ipe.
No, Mercy, sucre bonbon.
No most one on, I guess sushi is an on. It is sucre. Makachia Kakamana, but Shobs, Ibega, Lana, Pomo Bassica. Is here? Well, I say I don't want one that diabetes. You go. Makachia Kakamana, but Ilaligen.
Mercy.
From my Shabaka.
Mercy.
Apollo, say on that. No one got us sweetie. Only one bow sweetie, William Katara.
Mercy. What is really going on? What is going on, Mercy? I didn't know. I thought you were. What is going on, Mercy?
Okay, you make a thing of winning a menu, Buddha. Indeed, they against you. You are
Please, I don't want that. Don't want that.
Lemon, you tell me now. I was an importer 7-8 years ago.
You don't mean it.
And I'm see Uburi Boo a lot. Say no, can do chi na we attack you. No, name when you talk. It's come with a how to sweet to talk and that's a 4th home man on a village. Come brown 7 years ago. I can on the village now.
God forbid. It is not my portion.
Good. Then I want you talking here and your portion. He gave me when now my Nakadia. Over 50,000. Give him normally him Jaro down 200, 300, 400,000. Okay.
You're a good man, Mazi. You're a good man, Mazi. You're a good man. Okay, you know what will happen? You know what will happen, Mazi? In this my bag, I have over 2 dozen of my sugar bomb. So I will give you like 3 cartons so that you can go and sell it and resell it, to convert it to Bitcoin and share all.
That's welcome. So yeah, I'm coach Paragana. It's here but when you come another sweet. Then sugar bomb, cause fruit on Tom King with it. After you marry, give me half Bobby. Tibo another sugar again.
Okay, I'll make it 3 cartons. Let me make it 3 cartons.
cartons.
Okay, come and take 4 cartons. What of 5? Yay. What I wanted to only impress them all. In Morocco, they appreciate things like this. Eh? They are threatening my life now.
Let's have it.
Oh my God. I need to call my agent and book my flight first thing tomorrow morning back to Morocco. This village is not conducive for my health.
It explain tire.